Good afternoon, teacher. We are Team 6 Ionics and we will be presenting our project, Rain Control. Our team members are CRUZ FUENTES, CRUZ TERRERO, GARCIA Gonzalez, HERNANDEZ MALAGON, and VACIO PEREZ. To start talking about rain control, it is important to talk about us. We are a team that seeks to help people with their daily routines through programs that solve small problems before they become bigger. Our mission and vision as a team are to develop innovative digital solutions that help people understand, improve, and manage their properties, promoting better communication and agreements between landlords and tenants, and to become a company recognized for creating technological solutions that transform the way people manage their properties by facilitating access to clear, simple, and effective digital tools. Rent control is a program which helps with the management of rental properties. We offer payment monitoring and the reporting of problems within the property. It helps both tenants and landlords. The project's Aula methodology was key to shaping our project, although it was challenging at first due to its new foundations. It helps us build a solid application and fully achieve our goals, even exceeding our initial expectation. To improve the process, we only suggest more specific guidelines from structures regarding deliveries. We are confident in the success and purpose of our final application.
The objective of this program is to develop a desktop application with a web interface for the management of rental properties, aimed at landlords and tenants in the metropolitan area. That helps control and track payments, receipts, and manage maintenance incident reports in order to reduce conflicts arising from a lack information and improper property management. And in nowadays, the administration of a property is often carried out talk message of verbal conversations, which can result in poor property management for that sometimes exists the disorganization or lack of good communication between the tenants and landlords, especially because many properties owners in Mexico City face problems because they don't maintain good control over their properties. And the tenants sometimes pay late or not all. Contracts are clearly tracked, are maintenance issues are only addressed when they are already serious. And furthermore, information is often shared through messages, loose notes, or from memory, and this also affects tenants who often lack clarity regarding their payments and the duration of their leases or how to report problems. Yes, or the problems with the property, and that's the result. Conflicts arises, disorganization occurs, unexpected experience areas, and over time the property can deteriorate and lose the value.
The biggest problem that we have is time. We don't know have enough time, and it is really big problem because a project needs time. Also, classes and homework require attention. We need to learn faster to be at the level that the project needs and complete all the objectives that we establish at the start of the semester. We don't know have arguments, but sometimes communication is not the best. Not because of problems, but because time is very limited. In situations where we cannot talk about the progress of the project, we sometimes lose track of the project. This slide represents the main functionalities of our project rent control. First, we have rent tracking, which allows landlords and tenants to manage payments and digital receipts in an organized way. This helps reduce errors and makes administration more efficient. Second, we have incident reports, a feature that allows users to report problems within the property quickly. This helps solve issues before they become more serious and costly. Finally, clear communications improves communication between landlords and tenants by centralizing important information and agreements in one place. Together, these functionalities make rent control a practical solution to property management, helping users save time, improve organization, and maintain better communication. Okay, in my conclusion, the classroom project methodology was useful because it allowed you to apply knowledge from different subjects in a real project. It helped you improve teamwork, communication, and problem solving skills. The biggest problem challenge was the limited time available during the semester. We believe that having more time and clearer guidance will help students achieve better results. Despite the difficulties, our team made significant progress and gained valuable experience overall. We are satisfied with the results and with everything we learned during this project.
Next, the programming with the new technologies class is like the 15 of the project because we learn to create a header website with more interaction between the user and the visual content, and it also provides a content connection to the database. Finally, among the courses in our program, we have software development lab. This class is the connection of all the classes. Here the project starts and ends from the moment we identify the problem until we present the entire project. This course is the credit of every moment, learning, discussion, and enjoyable moments that we shared as a team. But this team did not learn everything during the semester. In the third semester, we learned the foundations and, if necessary, knowledge to be at this level. This semester, a new joined our team, and it was a best decision because he is our new leader, and he is a great idea. We think we are a great team. We understand the needs of the team, and we work together to solve every problem. At the beginning, it was a little challenging because we did not know each other, and communication was not the best. But over time, we worked very well together. We are friends, so that facilitates things because we know the responsibility of being a team and achieving good grades while creating a great project. Now we are still friends, and it is so easier because we know more about each other and have more organization and communication. The biggest problem that we have is the time. We do not have enough time, and it's a really big problem because a project needs time. Also, classes and homework require attention. We need to learn faster to be at a level that the project needs and complete all the objectives that we established at the start of semester. We don't have arguments, but sometimes communication is not the best, not because of problems, but because time is very limited in situations where we cannot talk about the progress of the project. We sometimes lose track of the project. In conclusion, the main problem is the time in the aspects. My personal opinion about the methodology of the classroom project is that sometimes some topics do not work to make the delivery with some subjects, and that does not help much. I will make that topic about the classroom project according to what is worked on the race, or if it's not in line with some subjects. It is not delivered in that subject. If they were fluid science, we were able to centralize the records of rent payments and the reports of maintenance incidents in a system for a better control properly. The results were as expected thanks to the work we have done during the semester.